Today, we will talk about the latest developments from Boom and how these advancements are bringing the world closer to the return of supersonic passenger travel. The idea of a supersonic passenger airplane first emerged in the late 1950s in France and the United Kingdom. France's Sud Aviation and the UK's Bristol Aircraft Company have begun independent research in this area. In 1962, French and British parties signed an agreement to jointly develop and produce a supersonic passenger airplane. This project was named Concorde. The airplane was designed to meet stringent speed and range requirements. Concorde had a characteristic arrow-shaped wing and a narrow fuselage, which allowed it to reach speeds in excess of Mach 2, double sonic speed, and reach a range of 4,488 miles. The first test flight occurred on March 2, 1969. The Concorde prototype took off in Toulouse, France, and a few weeks later, on April 9, 1969, it took off in Farnborough, UK. Serial production began in 1971. 5 years later, the first commercial flights were launched. Concorde catered to premium passengers and offered luxurious facilities on board. In comparison, the plane was flying between Europe and North America in 3.5 hours, while other passenger planes took more than 7 hours to cover the same route. Neither before nor after Britain and France decommissioned the legendary Concordes could any passenger airplane even come close to their normal speed. For comparison, the current record among subsonic civilian airplanes belongs to British Airways' Boeing 747, which traveled this route in February 2020 in 4 hours and 56 minutes. Nevertheless, the Concorde stopped being built back in the 1970s and stopped being operated in the early 2000s.